Today we tested the polymeric material. It's called ABS, acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. We follow a test protocol which is defined in the ISO 15779 standard. And the test protocol requires a specific rig arrangement. We have 4 slabs of this polymeric material. We used hidden shielded fire by having a metal shield on top of the fuel and 2 baffles located at 45 degrees to each other. That makes really a challenging fire to extinguish. The requirement is that we use a pre-burning time of 210 seconds. We ignite the fuel, the 4 slabs of polymeric material, by using a small pan filled with N-heptane. We measure also the oxygen level, which must not be reduced by more than 1.5% from the normal level inside the test room. I'm very happy with the results we have witnessed today. They are really showing how efficient is our system in extinguishing this kind of fuels, and they confirm the results that we had in the past. We are also pleased to share the results if anyone is interested.